Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your browser store and search for Paper Panda extension now. Select the extension listing that shows the developer name and reviews. Click Add to Browser and confirm the permissions dialog when it appears. Wait for the extension to install. The process typically completes in a few seconds. After installation, click the puzzle icon and pin the Paper Panda icon to the toolbar. Pinning makes it available with one click whenever you need it. Open Paper Panda settings by clicking the extension icon and choosing Settings. Sign in or create a new account to store templates and sync preferences. Set a default paper size, font family, and margins from the Appearance section. Choose between portrait and landscape orientation for exports and printing. Enable Cloud Sync to back up notes and settings automatically across devices. Review privacy options and permission toggles before continuing to ensure only needed data is shared. Create a new document and choose a template to begin writing or drawing. Use the pen tool for handwriting and the text tool for typed notes on the same page. Employ the lasso and move tools to rearrange elements with precision and control. Use layers and opacity settings to combine sketches with annotations. When finished, export your page as PDF or image and select paper size and resolution before saving. For privacy, clear local cached files or disable sync in settings when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.